The question is, the electrostatic potential is given as a function of x in figure A and B. Calculate the corresponding electric fields in regions A, B, C and D. Plot the electric field as a function of x for figure B. First, we will do for figure A. We have to calculate the electric fields, corresponding electric fields in region A, B, C and D. So, first for figure A. So, what is electric field? Electric field is minus dV by dx. That is the negative gradient of electric potential. So, electric field is the negative gradient of electric potential. So, first for region A. So, this line, see this line A, this line segment A, the slope is constant. So, we will find the slope dV by dx, that is equal to 5 minus 8 by 0.2, that is equal to minus 3 by 0.2 minus 15. So, what is the electric field? Electric field in region A is equal to minus of minus 15. So, it becomes plus 15 volt per meter. So, now for region B. For region B, dV by dx equal to 0. The slope is 0. So, the electric field is also 0. Now, for the region C, dV by dx equal to, here the slope is 7 minus 5 by 0.6 minus 0.4. So, equal to 2 by 0.2 is equal to 10. So, the electric field is equal to minus 10. In region C is minus 10 volt per meter. Now, region D. Here the slope is, that is 1 minus 7 by 0.8 minus 0.6 equal to minus 6 by 0.2, it is minus 30. So, the electric field is, the region D is given by minus of minus, again it will become plus 30 volt per meter. So, now we have found the electric field in region A, now A, B, C and D. Then the second part is we have to plot the electric field as a function of x for figure B. So, for the figure B, this is the figure B. First, we have to find the electric field. First, we will do from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So, the same way we have to find the slope. Slope is equal to 30. So, the electric field is as a function of x. It is in the x direction. So, it is minus of 30 volt. Here it is given in centimeter. So, volt per centimeter I cap. Then from 1 to 2, dV by dx equal to, here the slope is minus 30. So, the electric field is plus 30 volt per centimeter. Now, from 2 to 3. 2 to 3, the slope is 0. 2 to 3, dV by dx equal to 0. Therefore, the electric field is also 0. Now, from, write it, from 3 to 4. Here the slope is minus 30 and hence the electric field is plus 30 first I cap. Now from 4 to 5. 4 to 5 dv by dx. The slope is equal to plus 30. Then the electric field is minus 30 volts in meter. Now we have to plot it in this graph. So from 0 to 1 it is minus 30. So here 0 to 1 is minus 30. So first it will be minus 30. Then from 1 to 2 it is plus 30. So from 1 to 2. So where is 1 to 2 it is plus 30. So again you have to, yeah, it is plus 30. So this line will be from minus, goes up to plus 30. Then from 1 to 2 it is plus 30. From 2 to 3 it becomes 0. So from 2 to 3 it is again becoming 0. So it comes to this value and the graph like this. Then 3 to 4 it is plus 30. Again it goes back here plus 30. So 3 to 4 it is plus 30. And 4 to 5 minus 30. Again 4 to 5 it is minus 30. So the electric field is coming down to minus 30. So this is the graph for electric field versus distance. So